Hello, in this video we are going to understand how you can sync your Google Calendar and iPhone calendar app in iPhone. So on the screen you can see that we have meeting 1 from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and it is for every day, right? And this application is Google Calendar. And if I open iPhone calendar, you will see that we don't have any meeting, right? From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So I want that 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. meeting 1 to be reflected in iPhone automatically. If I update Google Calendar again, that meeting should get updated in iPhone calendar as well. So in this video, we are going to understand how to do that. Let's start. Go to settings and type calendar at the top. Calendar. The first option, this is iPhone calendar app. Click on it. Then on the first option, calendar accounts. As of now, there is one written against it. Click on that. And in this, we have to add our Gmail account so that it can get sync. So on the second option, click on this, add account. Click on Google. Now enter your email address and password and log in. Once you enter your email address and password, the next screen will be like this. As you can see that now currently it has access to mail, contacts and calendars. Now your iPhone calendar has a Gmail linked to it, and that Gmail has an access to calendars, contacts and mail. You just have to click on save. Once you do that, you will see that on the second option, Gmail row has been created. If you go and again click on it, against the label you can see Gmail. You can just rewrite it with that email address that you have logged in and click on done. So as you can see that we have created it. Let's go back. Now you can see that 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. meeting 1 has been populated. Same meeting which was in Google Calendar, now it is in iPhone calendar automatically. If I go and update my Google Calendar again, so for example on 2nd, we have a meeting at 5 p.m. and meeting name is meeting 2. More options, do not repeat, make it every day and save. Now we can see that on 2nd, from 2nd onwards, we have a meeting from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I'll go and check here. I'll click on 2nd and I'll check from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So keep in mind, when you update Google Calendar, once after syncing you update Google Calendar, it does not automatically or instantly update the iPhone calendar. It will take 15 minutes to update, and why, that I'm going to explain. So you have to go to settings again and open calendar app like this. Click on calendar accounts, and at the bottom you can see that fetch new data, right? And it is written push. Click on that. Now on the second row, you can see against that email address PBTC China, we have fetch option, right? And it is not manual. That means it will automatically fetch the content. But at the bottom, it is every 15 minutes because I have many calendars and I don't want to automatically fetch it instantly every time. So I have kept it to 15 minutes. So every 15 minutes, it will fetch data and it will update. So make sure that you have updated this section also. If in case you see that it is not updating, so what you can do, one more thing, you just have to click on this again and toggle off the calendar, delete from iPhone, and then again toggle on. This will instantly update all the calendars. So this is only for the situations where you see that lot of meetings are there and you want to view that. And if it is not happening, then you can do this also, but you don't have to do it every time. Now see, it has instantly picked the data, but by default every 15 minutes it will pick data and update the iPhone calendar. Let me know if you have any questions, but this will 100% work. When you update Google Calendar, it will automatically update iPhone calendar. Thank you for watching the content. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.